Hey guys, Alex is here. It's a DIY project for how to make a buzzer to know the water level indicator. Since it's flooding here in Kerala and it's raining, you'll need a battery, you'll need a wire, you'll need a buzzer. A buzzer or an alarm or a horn of any sort that you can basically, connect, and it should work in DC. That's the only purpose. And this plug will be the contact or the lead that goes to the water. So basically, there are these two wires. You just have to connect it to the respective buzzer. Instead of this buzzer, you can basically use a doorbell or whatever is available. Since it's flooding and there's no current, you'll always need to connect it to a DC battery like this. You'll have to take the buzzer negative lead and connect it to one end of the long wire. The length of the wire you can decide based on the distance where you want to place it. Since there is no soldering iron or anything available in many houses, you can probably think about taping the respective leads like this. Just ensure that it's tightly being placed and the tape is insulated properly so that there is no leakage of current or anything like that. Just ensure that you while connecting it should be separately placed. Now the red lead of the respective buzzer should go to the positive lead of the battery. And as I mentioned, you just have to tape it well and ensure that the terminals are connected properly so that there is no missing in between. The sound is heard loudly. So ensure that there is tightness space. I'm saying options because during the rainy time many things might not be available or these parts might not be available at home. So you'll have to probably compromise by using your kids' play toys or probably the doorbell that you normally use at home, or maybe your bike's car, battery and horn. So that's why I'm just showing the easy hacks how to do or how to deal with the flood. So this is very easy. As I mentioned, the other lead of the wire, the extended wire, should be connected to the negative lead, so that there is a continuity of the circuit. As I earlier mentioned, just tape it and ensure that the terminals are tightly connected on the respective battery. So once that is done, our buzzer is ready to work. So as I mentioned, you just need to tighten it to ensure that the leads are in touch with the respective battery, because that will be the main source of the supply that comes to the buzzer. The amount of tape that you can use is according to your convenience or the thing that you feel so. So once that is done, your buzzer is ready and active to be tested. As you can see, I have just prototyped it to the window and then kept it in the bucket like so. And this is the level of water which increases. So once I dip in the contact, and the water level increases, this sound. For more videos like this, do like and subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you so much.